Hello everyone. Today we will present our statistical analysis project. We focused on a very relevant issue in today's urban life, rent prices in Istanbul. Specifically, we explored how average rent price per square meters vary across different districts using May 2025 data. Let's begin with our objectives. Our study had three goals: to understand how rent prices per square meters are distributed across the Istanbul districts, to test if these differences are statistically significant, and to model the relationship between location and rent using regression and ANOVA. Why does this topic matter? Rent price in Istanbul have become a huge concern. In some neighborhoods, prices have skyrocketed, while others are still affordable. So we asked, are these price differences statistically meaningful or just random? We use secondary data from Endexa and news outlets, including all 39 districts of Istanbul as of May 2025. This is not a sample, it's population level data. The average rent per square meter was around 306.8 Turkish lira and ranging from 183 Turkish lira in Esenyurt to 520 Turkish lira in Kadıköy. The distribution was right skewed, meaning a few high-priced districts pulled the average up. Now we will continue distribution with
So,
Berkay.
we grouped the rent values into 7 intervals. Most districts fall between 230 to 330 Turkish liras per meter square. Kadıköy, Beşiktaş, and Sarıyer stood out as the most expensive ones. A Shapiro-Wilk test confirmed the data is not normally distributed. We ran a one-sample t-test to compare the mean to median value, 287.5 Turkish liras. The p-value was 0.185, so we failed to reject the null hypothesis. This suggests the average rent is not significantly different from the central tendency. Our 95% confidence interval was between 278.2 and 335.4 Turkish liras. We then grouped districts into central, like Kadıköy, Beşiktaş, Şişli, and peripheral like Esenyurt, Sultanbeyli, and Arnavutköy. A two-sample t-test showed a significant difference between them. Clearly, rent in central districts is much higher. And we checked the correlation between rent and distance from the city center. The Pearson correlation was minus 0.68, meaning as distance increases, rent decreases. A linear regression showed that for every unit of distance, rent drops by around 14 Turkish liras. This model explained 46% of rent variation. This is a strong result.
I will continue from now on. Regional comparison, ANOVA. We also group districts based on socioeconomic regions. A one-way ANOVA showed statistically significant differences between these groups. Turkey's test confirmed that central districts and low-income periphery districts had the biggest gap. Chi-square test. We use a chi-square test to examine the relationship between rent categories and geographic region. The results was significant, meaning that where districts is located also affects rent level. Policy implications. These results could help policymakers. Rent supports might focus on outer districts. Public transportation improvements could relieve pressure in central zones. Location is still a key driver of rent price inequality. To sum up, rent prices vary greatly across Istanbul. Central and European districts are more expensive. Our statistical methods confirm these differences. These findings can support better housing decisions for renters, landlords, and city planners. Thank you for listening. That's all.